At the edge of a candlelit room, a man crushed myths with his bare hands, and the world didn't realize science had just been born. London, 1661. The air smells of smoke, metal, and damp stone. Glass vessels sweat in the flicker of flame. Men whisper of transmutation and secret symbols, of gold pulled from dust by the favor of angels. For centuries, alchemy ruled this room, half prayer, half promise. And then one man asked a dangerous question. What if none of this is true? Robert Boyle was not here to chase miracles. He was here to weigh them. He watched substances react, not with hope, but with suspicion. He refused to accept authority simply because it was ancient. He wrote down what happened. He repeated it, again and again. Where others sought secrets, Boyle demanded evidence. Where alchemists spoke in riddles, he insisted on clarity. The room grew tense, not because something exploded, but because something sacred was being dismantled. Midway through his work, a quiet rebellion took shape. Boyle challenged the idea that matter was ruled by mystical principles. He questioned the four elements themselves: earth, air, fire, water, beautiful, poetic, and wrong. The shift was subtle, almost polite, but it was revolutionary. Because once you question the foundations, everything above them trembles. Then came the escalation. Boyle published The Sceptical Chymist. Not a spell book, not a manifesto, a method. He separated belief from observation, story from substance. He argued that chemistry should be built on experiments anyone could repeat, results anyone could test. Knowledge, he said, must survive doubt, or it wasn't knowledge at all. The backlash was immediate. To many, Boyle wasn't correcting alchemy. He was killing it. He stripped away mystery, and with it, power. No more hidden wisdom guarded by initiates. No more truths that worked only once. In their place, measurements, controls, definitions. Cold, relentless, honest. And in that honesty came the climax. Chemistry stepped out of the shadows, not as magic, not as metaphor, but as a science, predictable, verifiable, and open to all who dared to question. The candles burned low, the myths didn't vanish overnight, but something irreversible had begun. From Boyle's insistence on proof came the tools that would reshape medicine, industry, and the modern world itself. Because progress doesn't arrive with thunder. Sometimes it arrives with a notebook and the courage to say, "Show me." If this story sparked something in you, help it travel further. Like the video, share it with a curious mind. Subscribe for more moments where history turns, and leave a comment. What belief do you think we're questioning next?